Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Stuart, and you may know this person that I'm catching up to right here. Who is this person? What's your name?
Missy.
Where do you come from?
What do you mean, where do I come from?
Where do you come from?
My mother.
She comes from her mother. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel again. I'm Stuart, and Missy and I are here in Dartmouth, Nova Scotia again, and we're at the famous Micmac Mall. And I'm trying to catch up to Missy because she's walking her million miles an hour here. Missy, who are we here to see at Micmac Mall?
I can't remember his name, but the tree.
We're here to see Woody.
Yeah.
Woody the talking Christmas tree. I guess it's something unique to Micmac Mall. And we have to thank JJ McCullough for sharing that with us. Anyway, we're gonna head inside because it's cold. All right, everyone, so we're here in Dartmouth, Nova Scotia. We were here a few months ago for that music festival. We had a video there with Archie and I walking around downtown. We're here at the Micmac Mall to see Woody the talking Christmas tree. I hear it's kind of freaky looking. Creepy would be the word. Do you want to add anything?
No.
You just keep galloping away.
Oh, sorry.
Just gallop.
Long legs.
Long legs. Woody, where are you, Woody? Where are you, Woody? Where's Woody? Where's Woody, Missy? Where's Woody? We're here looking for Woody. Where's Woody? Where's Woody, Missy? Where's Woody? What?
Probably up here.
We're going that way. Look, Missy, we have a new friend.
Yeah, we do.
It's a deer
It is.
here at the mall.
Yeah.
You got a hat on. It says Portland Express. What does that mean? This is not Woody, by the way. We're still hunting Woody. All right, everyone, there's Woody, the talking Christmas tree. Missy, you gonna go up and talk to Woody?
No.
Huh? Come on. Okay.
What?
You gonna go talk to Woody? No?
No.
Well, I know Madison has been trying really hard to be nice this year, so Santa will have something special for you on Christmas Eve, okay? Thank you so much for coming to see me, and have a great Christmas.
So Missy,
Yeah.
most places have a Santa. Micmac Mall of Dartmouth has Woody, the talking Christmas tree.
So strange.
We drove all the way from Moncton to see this.
Thank you. Merry Christmas, Alice. Tree you later.
So that was interesting. I just talked to the guy who worked at the Woody store, and Woody's been here since the 80s, roughly.
Look at all those busy little knick-knack beavers! It's me, Woody, the talking Christmas tree. Here I am. Look up, look way up. You came back to see me again this year, didn't ya? Hooray!
Merry, merry Micmac Christmas.
And it just had an overhaul. I guess it used to be creepier looking. All right, there's a quick tour of the Micmac Mall, and let's go that way. And Woody, the talking Christmas tree. So if you're in Dartmouth, you gotta come and check it out. Just something cute to share with you, folks. You don't see a talking Christmas tree everywhere you go. All right, Missy, do you have anything you want to add?
No, you could probably try and dig up a picture of the old Woody before COVID.
I guess Woody had an overhaul during COVID or before COVID. Oh, look, they have your favorite store here.
Not my favorite store, Sarah's.
Sarah's favorite store, Just Cozy. All right, we're out of here, folks. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you again in a future video. Hope you enjoyed this short, quick video here from Dartmouth. See you all later.